Hello, I'm Virginia and I've been a pharmacist for 10 years. If you've lost your yellow fever certificate or yellow fever card, here are 3 ways you can get a new one to replace it before you travel. The first way is to find a copy of your yellow fever certificate. This could be a digital scan, a photocopy, or a photograph. Then you can take this to any yellow fever vaccination centre to give you a new one. The second way is if you do not have a copy of your yellow fever certificate, you need to find out where you got your yellow fever vaccine. You need to go there to get the details of your yellow fever vaccine, and they can give you a new one, or you can go to any yellow fever vaccination centre to get a new one from them. The third way is if you do not have a copy and you do not remember where you got your yellow fever vaccine, then you can go to any yellow fever vaccination centre to get the yellow fever vaccine again and get a new certificate. Now, once you have your new yellow fever certificate, you should take a photo of the inside where you can see the details of your vaccine. Email yourself this photo and keep it as a digital copy so it's easy for you to find. When you travel, always take your original yellow fever vaccine certificate with you and have a paper copy just in case the original gets lost or stolen. And finally, remember that even though you have the yellow fever vaccine, you still need to protect yourself from mosquito bites. This is because mosquitoes carry the yellow fever virus and they pass it on to you when they bite you. To avoid bites, wear long-sleeved, loose clothing, and on bare skin, wear insect repellent like DEET. At night, you should sleep with a mosquito net to prevent bites. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.